Hey everybody, welcome to episode 13 of Apex on the Go. Today we're talking about the mileage and expense tracker. That is one of the free features that is with your Apex driver subscription, right? So how does that work? It's very, very good and very essential for you to track your expenses and mileage if you are a rideshare driver or gig economy type worker, delivery, all that stuff. So what it has in there is you could manually input any of your receipts. You could take pictures of them, put in a category, same categories that you find in the categories section of your expenses for businesses at the end of the year for your taxes, right? So it's very important for your tax return to have all that stuff. And you could put a category, you could put notes, photo, all that stuff. And then your mileage tracker, you got to enter it manually so it doesn't do it automatically, tracking your GPS and all that. But at the beginning of the day, just go in there, put in your odometer reading, hit start. At the end of the day, put in that odometer reading again, hit stop. And there you have your mileage for that day. All right, count all of it. And you can put reports at any time. You could generate a report and it sends it right to your email account that you have incorporated with your Apex driver account. That is that. It's a great feature. Let me know what you use. If you do use some other mileage expense tracker, do you pay a monthly subscription for it? Just curious. All right, that's all I have, and I will see you real soon for episode 14. Thanks for joining me.